Hey everybody, welcome to Active Self-Protection Extra. Today a real treat with Master Lawrence Robinson of Attitude First Martial Arts Academy and Master Ken, the founder of Ameridote, and we're going to talk today about what it truly takes to be a master of your martial art. Many thanks to Magtech Ammunition for sponsoring today's video. It's the only ammunition that goes through my pistols or rifles and is the best stuff on the range. So, this is Associate Master of the Art, Lawrence Robinson, and if you have been on the channel for a while, you know that Master Robinson has been my teacher since 2006.
Yes.
15 years now, and of course, if you've been on the channel a bit, you know that Master Ken and I have been acquaintances for a while, though I am just a white belt in Ameridote.
Remember that.
Yeah, I'll do my best. And so I'm gonna start over here. Now, it's so funny because, you know, Master Robinson's a fairly new title, sir. You just got that one.
Yes, yeah. Mr. Hancock, Skip Hancock promoted me back in September of 2020.
So a very interesting bit. Now tell me, tell us about the work that it's taken and how much time and what has gone into you becoming an 8th degree black belt, the Associate Master of the Art. Well,
again, you know, it's one of those journeys that you don't even realize. It's been 45 years now that I've been training and everything, and you know, along the way there's tons of competitions. There's lots of study. Again, you know, I'm thankful had some great instructors with Dennis Knatzer, Skip Hancock, and so on. And so, you know, it's through their guidance that's really helped me. And again, being a master, it's more their recognition of me. I don't consider myself a master of anything.
So how does somebody get promoted to 8th degree black belt?
Well, I think it's it is a lot of work. It's a lot of dedication. You know, it's not just the work that you do on the mat. Ironically, I'm on the mat virtually every day, it seems like. But you know, I've got a degree in business management. I've done some full contact fighting back in the early 80s.
25 and 10 full contact kickboxing record.
Yeah, a couple titles in there. Tons and tons of competition with tournament style fighting and stuff. I've been a finalist 3 times at the International Karate Championships. So you know, it's a lot of work. Luckily, it's also looking at other systems. You know, I've been working on Kali recently, doing some jiu-jitsu. You know, Ed Parker's American Kempo is definitely the foundation, and so on and so forth.
Wow, that's a lot of work. So Master Ken, I don't even know, what degree of black belt are you right now?
The difficulty with telling you is that it is a rank that is so advanced, I could tell you how to pronounce it, but you'd probably break your tongue.
All right, so tell me what went into achieving that rank.
Well, being the best at everything is the short answer. The longer answer is confidence, number one. I don't go around telling people that I don't deserve the rank. That doesn't inspire confidence in others. I also don't put words that don't inspire confidence in me in front of my title, like Associate Master. Okay. In the entertainment business, they would say like associate producer, which is what you give your secretary instead of a raise. But if you're going to actually call yourself a master, you have to act like a master. One of the most important things about being a master is what we call unconfirmed kills. Okay. In the military, you have confirmed kills, right? Where you can verify that you have killed somebody. In street fighting, legally, that's a big problem. Okay. You can't go around bragging about your confirmed kills, so you leave them as unconfirmed, which means you and I end up in the street, we end up in a life and death situation, you're down on the ground bleeding, and as I leave, I think, he's probably gonna die, okay? That's an unconfirmed kill. And I've lost track of how many of those I have. The other thing about being a master is that you have to be good at psychological warfare, convincing other masters to make mistakes in combat, okay? We do this by baiting them. So if I was to fight Associate Master over here, and I caused him to do something that put him in a dangerous position, then I've baited him in this, which is why people like to say, I'm the best in the world at masturbating.
Okay, so
I don't think I can touch that.
You shouldn't touch it.
Yeah, I mean,
not a good idea.
Not a good idea. Okay, okay, ask viewers. Let's think about the contrast here. And so when you start looking for a martial arts school, maybe you're thinking about which master do I want to study under. and you've got to decide whether unconfirmed kills or a lifetime of studying adult and childhood education and training methodologies and cross-training and...
See, that already takes too long, all the way he explained that. Just look at it this way. Associate master, master at arms.
Okay.
So that's how you become a master of the art that you study, and you decide for yourself when you go to look at a school which one of these you would rather be a part of. Master Ken, thank you so much. Master Robinson, as always, I appreciate your time.
Thank you, sir.